Okay, 7 and 8 here. Again, we do not need to justify. They asked us just to solve. So let's drop that line down the middle. I get parentheses on the left. I start off there with using my distributive property. Watch your signs as you distribute. All right, I got variables on both sides. I myself always move the smaller variable, which in this case is a minus 3p. So I'm gonna add 3p to both sides to keep that thing balanced. 24 plus 3 gives me 27p. Right-hand side, I'm left with a negative 24. Those 3p's cancel out. Now after that, I've got everything on the left, and there's my two-stepper equation. Negative 24 plus 27 times p. So I'm going to remove that negative 24, by adding 24 to both sides. I'm left with 27p on the left. Those 24s cancel out. And on the right-hand side, watch your signs. The 24s also cancel out. And then 27 times p, the inverse of multiplication, is still division, and 0 divided by 27 is, well, then 0. On number 8, again, we don't need to justify. I've got parentheses, got 2 of them. It's a negative 1 out front. There's a negative 1 hiding there, and then a 7 to distribute. Negative n minus 3. 7 times 56n. Now after that, it's still a bit of a mess on the left. I've got like terms to bring together. Watch your signs. Negative 1 plus 56 is giving me 55n. I've got constants. Negative 3 plus 7 is giving me, what, 4? Now, all of a sudden, it cleaned up to be something pretty nice. Two-step equation. Subtract that 4, divide by that 55. Subtract 4 both sides. 4 minus 4 is 0. And the inverse of multiplication right here is still division. N is 0. All right, last one there. Complete the statements and complete the reasons. Fill in the blanks. Again, got to give you an equation. So this is given. And then, looks like I didn't realize that. Oh, it looks like I only need to justify it. And I filled it out down here for you. Yep, I didn't say anything about that, so I didn't catch that. So as we solve that one out again, I guess I could have justified it down here. So there is where I got negative n minus 3 and 7 plus 56n. And that was my distributive property that I had used. Then I showed you here the combined together to give you 55n plus 4. And I did combine like terms for that. Or we can also just say simplify. And then I subtracted 4 to get 0. And that was my subtraction property of equality. And then lastly, we divided by 55, and 0 divided by 55 is still giving me that 0. So division property of equality.